My name is Laurent Chiche. I'm professor in vascular surgery and I'm the head of the Department of Vascular and Endovascular Surgery, Tertiary Aortic Center in Pitié-Salpêtrière University Hospital in Paris. So we started the program with the LumiGuide technology in November 2023. We directly started with the FEVAR procedure, and now the clinical program is directed by Professor Federico Schneck. So we try to use the LumiGuide technology as often as possible for every complex case, and now it's the routine case we try to do for every member of the team. Now the Pitié-Salpêtrière University Hospital has a very important vascular department. That means that we try to treat the complex aortic patients even by open surgery or complex endo surgery. And then for us it's really helpful to have this new technology because we can have some new patients, some referent doctors who send the patients and who come to the procedures. And they can see how amazing the procedure is with the LumiGuide technology. Indeed, there is a learning curve with the LumiGuide technology, but we can have a 3D dimensional aspect of the catheterization of the vessels, and it looks really easy to cannulate. It's very important for us because we don't have to move the C-arm in different positions, and then we can catch all the navigation for the celiac trunk, the superior mesenteric artery without moving the C-arm. So finally, the learning curve is quite short, I would say, and it can be applied by each member of the team. So I'm really looking forward to what Federico Schneck will share about his edited case with the LumiGuide technology, which will be posted in Vascular News LinkedIn in 2 weeks. Stay tuned.